morning everyone. If you don't know us, I'm Sandy, this is Tim and our little dog Pablo. And if you're a regular watcher of ours, you'll know that we're normally travelling around in our beautiful 2004 Mercedes Sprinter, but if you can see behind me, it is half built.
Doesn't stop us.
It doesn't stop us, we still go out and about. So let's go.
Now the introductions are over and done with, this is our collaboration video. We're working with other channels in the collaboration. They will be here. This collaboration is VANLIFE Summer Essentials, and unfortunately in Australia it's winter now. Although I'm wearing a t-shirt, it is actually quite chilly. But we will do our best to bring you some summer content for our VANLIFE Summer Essentials collaboration video.
We've actually come down to Burleigh. If you don't know where Burleigh is, I'll put a map here exactly where that is. It's a beautiful beach at the Gold Coast. What a perfect place to start this vlog off. We're going to go and grab some lunch. So you have to wear 2 pairs of glasses to read the menu.
Hey, it's our prescription, but they're for driving.
It's hot here and bright. Now that is a really good lunch. Looks good, eh?
So the first thing I would like to address for our VANLIFE Essentials, number 1 is sun protection. Pretty important during the summer, as you would know. You've got to look after yourself before you do anything else and enjoy yourself. First off, it's not just sunscreen, but it's also glasses, hats, and also we have some clothing called Nudie, which is really good for UV protection.
So as Tim said, we do have clothing called Nudie, and I'm wearing one right now. So in Australia specifically, it gets 30 plus here in summer. And what you can do with these tops is you can actually wet them and put them on wet. So it actually cools your whole body down. It's 70% UV protection from the sun, and I can't say enough about it actually. So
the UV is pretty brutal here because we have the hole in the ozone layer over the top of us, so you guys don't get it.
Yeah. Also another thing, even Pablo has his little hat. I know we mentioned our hats, but he also has a hat, and we took him out to, what was it?
Yumundi Markets.
Yumundi Market. No, was it Yumundi Markets?
Yes, it was
and
Yumundi.
We found a little leather hat for him, and even he has it. Not that he needs sun protection, but yeah, it's for cuteness.
You got to look after your
Cuteness
pets.
overload.
Now it's time to eat.
Looks good. Yummy. So Burleigh has, well actually on James Street in Burleigh, there's heaps of boutique shops and heaps of places to have all different types of food, and it's everywhere's dog friendly. So we're out taking Pablo out today. Birkenstocks for the van. What do you reckon?
Oh, yeah, they're okay, but like in the summer we're always near the water, and we got these great water shoes.
Yeah, they're leather. Yeah, we do have these great. It brings me to our second point actually. The
VANLIFE Summer Essential number 2.
Summer Essential number 2. Our water shoes. I can't remember exactly the name of them, and I haven't got them with me, but I'll put the name of them up here. They're so good because we go out and participate in water sports. We have a kayak and stuff that we take out as well, and they're fabulous. We can just chuck them on, and it's great for the beach because the sand just falls right out. Because if you look closely, they have little holes, so it fills with water or sand, it all just slips right out. And the bottoms are also got holes in them, so They're perfect and nice and cool. The wind just goes straight through, especially on a little moped.
You're not squelching around like
No.
those other shoes that you get.
Yeah, they're actually really good. They were selling it to, we went to the caravan and camping show and they were selling them to us. And we were like a bit dubious. We're like, oh, are they really that good though? Because, you know, they're salespeople. But my days, I'm so glad I bought them. So, yeah, and you bought a pair as well.
Yeah, they're really comfortable.
We don't go anywhere without them except for today. But as you know, it's winter. Ooh, ice cream!
Even though it's winter, it's never too cold for ice cream.
Yes.
And we've also got doggy ice cream for Pablo.
Excellent. This is actually a vegan chocolate ice cream. It's a vegan chocolate Oreo. So I'm quite impressed that they actually had chocolate vegan ice creams there because it wasn't actually a vegan place. So it's unusual and I'm impressed. It's ice cream, Bella.
For doggies.
Well, that was lovely. I think it's time now to head to the beach. And what is the perfect place for Talabudgera?
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh.
What a lovely spot.
Yes, it is. We are blessed with these lovely little locations, especially on our doorstep.
Yeah, we had a choice to go to this afternoon. It's very nice. And not too busy because it's winter.
Yes. All these people here are English.
They are not.
They are, they're
Well,
English.
maybe that guy.
They're the only ones stupid enough to go in the water. Excuse me.
That guy there is very white.
Yeah, the very pasty pale one. Usually you can
pick on
tell.
them.
You can usually tell their pommies. The website. We usually tell the English here because they're the bright red ones. Especially if you go to Surfers Paradise. Number 3 on our van life summer essentials is our awning. Now it's not super sunny at the moment, and we don't really need the shade. But in the summertime, this thing is out all the time. As soon as we park up, we pop this thing out, and the good thing about it, it's only one person needs to do it.
Even I can do it, which is
Yes,
amazing.
you can do it. Just wind it out, and away you go. And it's a really good way to keep the van cool in the summer.
Sorry about the speedboat in the background.
And it gives you a bit of outside space as well, especially when you put the mats and
yeah,
the
it kind of
chairs
doubles
down.
your space, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doubles your living space, and yeah.
We haven't got it at the moment, but we normally have a cooking area
I think
here,
once we
and it's good
get
for
that TV and bring it out here, that'll be a nice, especially underneath the awning, to sit out here and watch a movie and,
Yes,
you know, out of the weather.
would be. Moving on.
Moving on. It's actually really nice out here. It's not actually too cold, which I wish we brought our water sport stuff. We have a SUP and a kayak. They're both inflatable. That brings me to our fourth point. A van life essential, I think a summer essential, would be inflatable water sport items. So yeah, your SUP and your kayaks and all that sort of stuff. Even the inflatable donut, as you can see, that's going on behind me. If you can get someone to pull you across the water with a speedboat, a lot of fun. The benefits of having something inflatable, come on Pablo, is the weight. You know, we really do have to worry about the weight of our vans, so having something inflatable cuts that down by at least half. You can fold it up pretty easily, put it in storage at the back and forget about it until you need it next time. Perfect.
So we showed you a little bit of Talabudra. I like it here, but it's a bit busy at the moment. I'm going to go somewhere a bit quieter and we can review the last section of our van life.
The big reveal of the final thing that we think is essential.
The fifth.
The fifth.
The ultimate. No. Just the fifth and final.
It's just the fifth one.
Yeah, the fifth and final van life summer essential.
We'll see you down there. With this area is trying to find a park, especially when you've got a long vehicle like ours. But we're going to take our chances because it is a lovely area. It is busy. You see the Gold Coast skyline over there above all these cars? Watch out, he's reversing. That'll do, pig, that'll do. What a beautiful view from the back of our van. Is it Pablo? Is it nice in the sun?
So we thought we'd bring you somewhere super beautiful for number 5. So I don't know if you can hear us over all of this beauty, there's quite a lot of it here. And van life essential number 5. As the sun is starting to go down, you'll realise that the bugs decide to come out. So this is where we have bug meshes on our windows. We have special lights from Hardcore, which when you put them onto the orange setting, it stops attracting bugs. Up to 95% of bugs it stops attracting, which is quite good. Especially in Australia, we do get a lot of bugs and a lot of insects in the van, and it can be quite annoying. So make sure you use your bug screens. And anyway, we're going to sit down and we're going to watch the sunset together as we finish this collaboration, and we leave you with something beautiful.
Hang on a minute there, matey. I have one more thing to add to that. Especially being in Australia, we always use Rid, which is a mosquito repellent that you just spray on your skin. I'm sure you have the same thing over there. I think it's called Tropicana in UK.
Yeah, or Aerogard.
Or Aerogard, yeah, exactly. So we always have some of that in the van. And if you don't know, it's actually really good to spray on the van or anything you want clean.
To get black marks off?
Yeah, it rubs right off. So it has two purposes, which everything should in a van, right?
Well, it makes you wonder actually what's in it.
And we're spraying on our skin, but the mosquitoes don't like it, and that's the main thing. So anyway, let's continue our walk and we'll see you back in the van for this beautiful sunset. It's such a beautiful day. I'm glad we came out today.
Shame the tide's out at the moment.
Hey?
Shame the tide's out at the moment because it's really crystal blue water when it's in.
It's still pretty.
Well, that's all from us. I hope you really liked our 5 essential van life summer tips. Please go and check out all the other collaboration people.
Yeah, we'll put put up the logos again for
Up
you.
here, above my
and
head.
Descriptions, the channel names
And the playlist. And the playlist, so you can just
down
click
below.
it and watch them all in one go. And know all about the things of VanLife Summer Essentials.
that they're enjoying right now, and we still are.
Yeah. The sun's going down. We're going to leave you with the sunset. So goodbye for now. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Leave a comment if you like.
And also, if you want to see our normal videos, we have a video posting every Friday at 4 o'clock. So come and join us.
Yeah, we got lots of stuff. Come and check us
Which
out.
New Zealand ones.
And Tasmania. Anyway, bye for now.
Bye.